Welcome to Suman iTTV, India's first and only exclusive IT channel truly dedicated to students, employees, software professionals, where you can learn, unlearn new things, upgrade skill set, educate, empower yourself in IT enabled services. వెల్కమ్ టు సుమన్ ఐటీటీవీ టెక్ టాక్స్ ఏఐ సిరీస్. ఈరోజు మనం వర్క్ రూట్ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ మోహిత్తో ఉన్నాం. సో మోహిత్ని అడిగి మనం తెలుసుకుందాం వాళ్ళు ఈ ఏఐ అప్లికేషన్ ని ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారని. హలో మోహిత్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Thank you so much. I'm also fine. So I just want to know, in this AI series, we have done a couple of interviews with all the people who are using the application AI. So, but particularly your company, AI, where you are using and how you are using.
Great. So we have used this AI powered, right? It's a very beautiful word, AI, artificial intelligence. So we have used this AI into a recruitment space, right? We are in this market from last 6 years, and we have identified that college space, right? In the college space, whenever there is a campus recruitment happening, right, there is a complete manual process. In today's generation also, if you see, right, bigger colleges also, they don't use any technology, and that's the space where we have identified the very big gap. And we wanted to make training and placement officers life very easy by introducing AI platform, where we have introduced Workruit college recruitment platform for them, with the help of AI platform services over there.
Okay, before going into the subject, I just want to know about the company Workroot, why it is Workroot, what is the meaning of the Workroot, and when it is started, and your role in the Workroot as a
Right.
vice president, what year?
So Workroot is a combination of two words, work plus recruit. So we've taken work plus recruit last word and then combined into Workroot. So that's how the name came into the place, right? And yes, I'm from day one, I'm in the system. I heads the complete business for India as well as international market. So Workroot also have achieved one of the milestone where we have doing it in a global space also. So we have launched it in US as well as Middle East and Southeast Asia market also. So this is all is about. But one thing is that whatever we do it into the recruitment space, right? So we have one product for job seekers, students, right? Other product for the companies, and another product for the colleges. So it's completely revolving among the hiring industries and the recruitment industry.
Okay, so this is how many years till now?
It's been 6 years, more than 6 years in the market now.
Mm-hmm.
And as a company, we are also helping government of Telangana. So we have launched the product for the government of Telangana by the name Digital Employment Exchange of Telangana. So we take care of that particular product also. So Digital Employment Exchange of Telangana is a government of Telangana initiative to improve the employment rate ecosystem in the state.
Mm-hmm.
So that platform also has been, we have been helping out, and then we have released that platform for the state of Telangana.
Okay, so now in Pan India, how many states you are working with through your company?
So we are working with multiple states, right? For Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, we are working with Tamil Nadu also. We are working also with Maharashtra and Karnataka also, right? But particularly with the government side, we are working with Andhra Pradesh and Telangana government. Other state governments, we are in contact, and we are in touch to go ahead and have the closure of the thing. But actively, we are working with 2 states as of now.
Okay.
Right. Kerala also we have started actually. So that is how it is. But coming to Workroot as a platform, right, which is a pan India. So we have users not only from India, we also have a users from South Africa. We also have a users from Singapore and US also.
Mm-hmm. And till now, how many companies you are working through Workroot?
So in Workroot, there are more than around 1,000 plus companies has been onboarded, where they are using this platform to hire the talent, right? And coming to the colleges, we are connected with around more than 35 plus colleges in Telangana itself. We also have colleges in Andhra Pradesh who are using our services. But if you want to be very particular only for a Telangana region, there are around 35 plus colleges are using our services in Telangana.
Okay, now tell me briefly how this application, AI application, you're going to recruit in the colleges, how it is going to help for the students and the
Perfect.
colleges.
Perfect. So before I go ahead and say about the product, what we have developed and how it is helping the colleges in the recruitment space, right? We need to understand how the current recruitment happening at the colleges.
Okay.
That's very important. So even if you go ahead and understand, right, maximum colleges recruitment happens at the 3-4 months in a year, right? So that happens when for the final year students, when they finish their education system and everything, all semesters be done, then the companies comes to the colleges and do the campus recruitment platform there. Now this all process which happens is a complete manual. There's a training and placement officers in every colleges where they connect manually, sending an email invites to all the companies, then companies accept, and then they come, and there'll be a manual interview process where they set the resume, candidate comes, gives the resume. So all the manual, right? And even after the interview has been done, right, the tracking mechanism is all manual. Either it is with the Google Sheets or an Excel or a manual, with the papers and all that, right? So this is the gap which we have identified. And one of the major problem, when I visited one of the college, I don't want to name the college here, but when we visited that particular college, and there was a NAC certification was happening, right? And then the officers asked them, like, can you show us 10 offer letters which your student got? And he was searching offer letters here and there. So he didn't had anything handy, very handy with them, right? So that's the gap which I have identified. And then I have went ahead and understood, going across with multiple colleges, and process is same. Everyone are doing the same. Few colleges TPO are maintaining records very efficiently, manually. Few are not doing it across, right? But there is a gap over there. There's no technology over there, and there is no AI in this generation also. And that's how we have identified. And we've been in leaders in this recruitment and hiring industry. We thought, let us have introduce Workruit campus recruitment platform for the colleges, right? And that's how we have introduced. We met chancellors, few of the colleges chancellors and chairmen also, and we have given this product. They have really find it good. So basically what happens, it's very simple. There's no rocket science in this. Very simple. We connected colleges to the companies, and we also connected students to the TPO and company. So there are 3 stakeholders in the platform. One is a college TPO, third is a companies, and second is a companies, and third is a students. So we connected with the platform with an AI powered technology with all the 3 stakeholders in the platform. Now what happens over here, college will very proudly in the market and say that my college now has a recruitment platform, right? That what does mean? So even at the time of admission, they can proudly go and say that I have my own dedicated recruitment platform to the students who is coming and taking an admission, so that they get that confidence that even after my studies is done, yes, there is a platform, and there's so many companies are already part of that platform. That platform has been managed by the college. That is the services which we are giving it to the colleges.
Okay, so this application you are saying completely dedicated to the college.
Correct.
So that is only for that college, or any particular other people also involved when you are working with this college?
So the ecosystem works very beautifully, right? Now let's imagine one particular college has 10 already companies associated with that college. Every year that company comes and hire. They can onboard those companies also into this platform, and all those companies who comes with the job postings or the job requirements, that will be only be visible to their students.
So can you please give one example, I mean, with the college name if possible, and which company is that one, how
Sure.
it is going to work?
So for an example, let us take a example of Villa Mary. All right. So Villa Mary is our client, already using our platform. Now Villa Mary is using our platform, and imagine Villa Mary has a company Deloitte which is coming, right? So Deloitte can come to the Villa Mary. Villa Mary can put the job postings requirement of Villa Mary, whatever the Deloitte has a requirement for the hiring, they can put it into the platform, and that will be visible to the student on the application itself. Now, whatever the requirement has been kept on the platform will not be visible to any other college, no, any other job seekers in the market. It will be only exclusively for Villa Mary student itself.
Okay.
Right. Plus, now Workruit is also in this platform, right, in this market. We have also onboarded more than around 1,000 plus companies in the market. Okay. And out of that 1,000, we can see as of now, if I go ahead and understand, there are around 200 plus companies actively hiring. Now, this 200 companies which are actively hiring in an open platform, we are giving this access to the colleges also to strengthen their database of their companies. That is what we are giving. So for an example, there are many companies, right? even in the mid-level segment, good startups, right? They all are part of this ecosystem with Workroot. This all will be accessible to the colleges. Now, colleges have very limited reach to going to the companies and all that, because maximum many of the people even not aware about what type of companies are there. Right? With this platform, their visibility will be much higher. The college visibility will be much higher, where they can connect to more startups, more mid-level companies, more IT companies, and they can onboard. They can call those companies to the college campus also with the
Okay.
platform help.
Yeah, see, everything is good. I mean, you're connecting the companies and the colleges with the application.
Yes,
But what you're giving to the students, especially what they are getting through this application.
correct. Now, very good question, right? Now, companies are having a dashboard, TPO is having a dashboard. Student, let us understand the user's journey, student's journey, right? Before I apply for a job, I want to have a valid professional resume, right? And these days, even if you go, there's a cut copy paste happening in the resume. Every student coming in one classroom, one student creates the resume, everyone copies. That is what we have identified the problem over there. And maximum student doesn't even know what type of content has to go, what type of about me section has to go in your resume. There'll be a lot of grammatical problem, a lot of spelling mistakes, no commas, no proper things, which HR doesn't like it cross. And once they come across these errors, they very within a seconds of time they reject the profile, right? To overcome this, right, what we have did is we have created a platform, mobile application as well as web application, Android and iOS mobile, for the students also, where once they registered themselves, right, they can create a professional resume using an AI writer resume making. What happens in that is I can create my resume where they'll have around more than 20 plus 25 HR approved resume templates available in the system. Once they create the resume, then they can apply for a jobs. Now, whatever the jobs are available in that college, they can visible in the platform, in their mobile app. From there, they can able to apply. They can chat directly with the recruiters, HR managers. They can chat with the training and placement officers also within the same window platform. They can also receive the offer letter. They can receive the interviews, offer letters. They can sign the offer letters, and they can send back from the offer letters from the panel itself.
So everything within the application, student can download.
Yes.
And they can make their own resume without any spelling mistakes or without any errors, you are saying, right?
Correct.
When they are doing this application, when they are uploading their own resume, so how they are going to do all this, without any help?
Very valid question, right? So for this, what we did is we have integrated with a chat GPT.
Achha,
Right.
that too
So
in
within the
Achha.
application itself, once I create my profile, system understands my profile and it gives suggestion what type of content has to go inside. And there are two types of things. One is a chat GPT integration, which we have did. Second, we also have AI text suggestions, which we have created. And as of now, we have generated around more than 10,000 plus AI text suggestions for the users. So as a candidate, when I'm coming and creating my profile, right, I will get my suggestions, what type of content has to go in your about me section, what type of content has to go in your experience profile or an internship side, what type of keywords you have to use, which will help recruiters to identify your resume, and then shortlist will be much easier over there. So that integration is also available for the student into the same application.
Okay, so what is the process within the application when once the student is uploaded their CV?
Very simple. So there's no need to apply. It's a very plain vanilla form generation thing, right? So if I go, once I register, how you register on your Gmail, once you come and register your account, there'll be a form. You have to fill your form, like your first name, last name, and XYZ details like your education, your experience, internship, projects, and all that. And once you fill that particular screen by screen form and all that, you will find 25 resume templates available there.
Okay.
Select whatever templates you like, right? One click button, whatever information you are given, everything will come on that template.
Achha.
Now imagine I didn't like this template. I want to switch to another template. I'll check, okay, I want to go with that template. I select that template. All information what you give will automatically come over there. Okay. Not only to that, in that template, there will be a professional colors. You can one click button, you can change the colors. One click button, you can change the title font, page fonts. You can change settings like I want to hide my photo. image on the resume. One click button, resume on the resume, my photo will be hidden. So that all adjustment into the alignment into the resume template will automatically happen.
So, and the companies are taking a look of the CV, whatever the student is uploaded in that application, how it is going to work.
Yes. So once the candidate comes and prepares the resume, right? What we say is that, rather than sending the PDF format or a Word format of your resume, we give exclusive URL to each and every candidate. So rather than sending the PDF format, you send this URL to the companies or HR managers. Why? Because imagine I'm sending my resume to someone, and afterwards I'm changing something. I have to again I have to send back that resume again back to the companies HR managers. So rather than sending the PDF format, you send the URL to the companies. So whenever they get an access to that URL, they'll always find the updated resume in that particular URL.
When the candidate is uploading the CV and all, how it is going to for the marketing and all, you are working backend, or how it is going to do?
No, it's very simple, right? Now a student is onboarding from college side, right? So that student is a part of that particular college and university.
Yeah.
Right. Once they create the profile into the application, right, they will be able to see all the jobs matching to their profile. Right. So because in the college there'll be like 40 companies will be coming, but my profile is not matching to 40 companies. Right. My profile will be more towards the IT. So my only IT requirement jobs will be visible in front of me. That's how the AI comes into the picture. The search engine functionality works on the AI. So I can able to see that, and I can straight away one click button I can apply to that particular job. Once I apply, the same information goes to the company. They will see if they're interested. They'll also accept it, and then I can schedule interview within the application itself. So the beautiful part now is, even a student wants to apply in the campus from the mobile, they can do the things. So imagine till now, none of the colleges and universities has where they have huge campus, right? Huge playground, huge campus. They can sit there and they can also still apply for the jobs from their campus, and they will feel so proud that my university has own recruitment platform where I'm connected with 100 plus companies, 200 plus companies, which before it was only happening on one single day when companies used to come to the campus recruitment day, and there they used to connect. So that's how is the change which we are trying to get it across into the colleges side.
Okay, so what is the packages the students are getting through the application whenever they
So
are
for
applying
students,
for
we
that?
don't charge, right? Because it's a completely college driven. So college and the universities has to take the services and it will be available to all the students. So for students, it's so completely, absolutely free of platform.
What is the salaries when these onboarded to the companies? What is the starting salary for the
So when we
students?
did and removed the salary range, what companies are coming and hiring. So we got a the slot of 25,000 rupees to 65,000 rupees salary range. So the companies who are coming and posting the requirement, they are offering salaries from 25,000 to 65,000 rupees. And from the domains like IT, ITS, sales and marketing, customer service domain, and also from the finance related domain.
If any colleges or any institutes want to be part of Workroot, what they need to do and how they can approach you?
Perfect. So they can reach out to us on our website, right? And we also have our numbers. We can share those numbers to them. To you, you can display that. They can, once they reach out to us, right, we will onboard that particular college or a training institute with us. Once we do the onboarding process with them, they can roll out this particular application to all the students which are available in their campuses, and we can roll out. So, and what we do is we always give one dedicated account manager for that particular college. So the integration will be very seamless. No problem, no way there will be a problem, and we can able to execute in a very smooth manner.
Is there any particular number you are looking for the institute or college they have to be in this number?
No, so it's like even if the institute has 10 students, this application is useful for them. And even if there is an institute which has around 5,000, 10,000 students, also this service is very useful for them. Our pricing is very clear, right? So we charge based on number of students. So if a college comes and that you have 500 students, the charges are depending on the 500 students.
You are saying 200 plus companies are actively hiring,
Correct.
right? And 35 plus colleges are you're onboarded through the
Correct.
application. So till now, in just a number, how many students hired?
We can say almost with the platforms, almost around 60 to 65% have been hired, right? Because why the numbers are very high in this, because it's not an open platform, it's about a campus recruitment platform, right? So whichever universities are using our platform, they use our technology, our platform itself to hire the, so even if they have the direct company which are hiring, they're using this platform. So that's the reason the success rate is very high over here, right? So whatever offers they're getting this offers from this platform to manage and make the records and all that. So that's the reason percentage is somewhere around 65 to 70%.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience and knowledge with us.
Thank you.
సో చూసాం కదండి, AI అప్లికేషన్తో ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక రిక్రూటింగ్ కంపెనీ కాలేజెస్ కానివ్వండి, ఇంజనీరింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్కి వాళ్ళందరికీ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యేలాగా చేస్తుంది. ఇది ఈరోజు మనం తెలుసుకున్న విషయం. స్టే ట్యూన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.